Whoa. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I am doing very well today. I'm super excited for today's video for multiple reasons. The first is because we are doing yet another unboxing, and you guys know I'm absolutely scarily obsessed with unboxing things. Second is because it is a brand new box to the channel, and third because it is a FabFitFun unboxing, which I'm super duper excited about. I have had multiple requests to do a FabFitFun unboxing, so when I got a very lovely email from FabFitFun asking if I would like to do an unboxing for you guys in partnership with them, I jumped at the chance. So today's video is in partnership with FabFitFun, and I'm so incredibly excited. So FabFitFun has just released their summer editors box. Summertime is upon us, the lovely days of sunshine and extreme heat. I went outside for 3.5 minutes today to just, I guess, soak in the vitamin D, and I decided that was plenty, and I came immediately back inside. So hopefully today's unboxing will give me a little bit of taste of the summertime without actually having to endure the incredible heat. Well, I've been filming for 2 minutes and I've already made a mess. I have my lovely coffee setting over here and I just whacked it with my box, and now there's coffee everywhere. It looks like this sample size Laura Mercier powder caught a lot of it. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, I have my FabFitFun box right here. So for those of you who do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal box. It is not every single month or bi-monthly. It does come each season. Each season the box is $49.99, but you are guaranteed to get at least $250 or more, like, of value inside the box, which is pretty cool. Plus, they gave me a little nifty code. If you guys would like to save $10 off your first box, you can use the code AR10 if you want to receive $10 off your first FabFitFun box. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut on into here. I'm very excited. FabFitFun does come with full-size items. Everything in here will be full-size, which is fantastic. It is not just a beauty box. It has like fashion stuff and wellness stuff, lifestyle stuff, so it's a little bit different than what we're used to here on the channel, but I'm real excited to get into it and see what we got. Oh dear. Oh my. I would just like to point out the Laura Mercier cap that I said caught a lot of coffee has now spilled all over my computer. Alright, so what just escaped here is a couple of different little things. We have a coupon for $50 off HelloFresh. There's also a fun little magazine in here from FabFitFun. Alright, then we have the little card here that tells us everything inside the box and the prices of what's inside, which I think is pretty cool. I'm also seeing that now FabFitFun lets you kind of like customize your box a bit, so you can choose some of the items out of, like, you know, what you want, which I think is pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna try to show you guys the inside of the box again without destroying anything. Here's what it looks like inside. We have some cool paper and a little sticker. It smells quite lovely in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just go through all of my products and show you guys what I got in my FabFitFun. The very first item I'm seeing in here drew my eye because of the pretty coral packaging. This is a spongelle. It has a little ribbon here and you can just pull it out, and ooh, okay, that's the source of the good smell. As soon as I opened this box, I was like, something smells good. And it is the little sponge here. Oh gosh, that smells really good. Okie dokie, so this is something that I've never really experienced before. This is a sponge, but it's soaked in body wash already for you. It's also in the shape of a little flower, so this is pretty cute, pretty nifty. I could kind of see somebody taking this with them, like traveling maybe, if they didn't want to bring like a full bottle of body wash. You could just bring this little guy and have like your body wash and your sponge like all ready to go. And from what I'm seeing here just right in front of me, the rest of the box does seem kind of like body and skincare-y, which I do typically prefer like makeup heavy subscription boxes, but this isn't just like a makeup box, so I think that's okay. Alright, next up here from Carez, we have a shower gel. So two kind of like little showery things. And I think Carez is actually a pretty pricey brand if I'm not mistaken, so I'm gonna go ahead, get in here and give her a sniff. Don't use your teeth for things, kids. It's not good for them. Alright, so this is a rose body wash, and you guys know rose is not my favorite fragrance ever, but it's not too overpowering. Get a little bit on my nose. It is also a really nice size because everything in here is full size. I have to say that I was actually running out of body wash, so it's nice to get these kinds of things in this box because I needed them. Alrighty guys, the next thing we have in here is from Ava, and this is a Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, and I feel like I've seen this brand at least in in other subscription boxes, but I'm not used to seeing this large of an actual tube. This is the special size limited edition. So it says that this is a luxuriously rich hand cream that drenches your skin in velvety smoothness. It says it is approved for sensitive skin, it's allergy tested and paraben free. This hand cream also says it is cruelty free and vegan, which is always good. Alright, I have to say, not my absolute favorite scent ever for the hand cream. It is very luxuriously smooth though. It's going on my hands very, very nicely. Alright, so I feel like it would take me probably like a year and a half to even go through this entire amount of hand cream, but it is nice to have around. Alrighty, next up in here we have something from Pure Lease. Pure Lease, I never say this right, and I know I don't say it right. I'm very, very sorry. We have yet another moisturizer in here, but this is for hydrating, fine line prevention, and it's perfect for under makeup. So we have a hand moisturizer and a face moisturizer. Oh, and instead of instructions, it has the ritual, which makes it sound much cooler than like instructions. It also lists the benefits of Blue Lotus. It says it is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. There is white tea, which offers antibacterial and skin soothing abilities. Vitamin E, which provides I'm not 100% sure what that weird sound was or why I made it. Prevents premature aging and improves skin texture. And French marine plants to help retain moisture. So there's a lot of little fancy ingredients in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on my arm because I already have lotion all over my hands. Even though it's intended for your face, I figure I'll just go ahead and give it a try. It does seem like a little bit goes quite a long way, which is really, really nice. And it seems to be soaking in pretty quickly as well. So that seems like a decent face moisturizer. Alrighty, next up here we have the Illuminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt, which has coffee on it. And I do believe I've tried this primer out before, and I think I liked it. Plus, I also really like the brand Dr. Brandt. I do know, however, that it is super pricey, or at least I think it's super pricey. From my knowledge, there's a good chance that this primer right here would like make up for a good portion of what you would have spent for the box. Plus, it is nice that it is a full size and the squeeze tube fills completely full, thankfully. Alrighty, so those are all the more like beauty products that came in the box. Next, I'm going to move into what looks like a beauty tool. I'm actually pretty excited about this little thing here because this is the Foreo Luna, and I have been wanting to try this out for a very long time. This little guy here has like little fingers on it, little pink fingers. It gives you like a magnifying glass there so you can see them better. And you can use this to like cleanse your face and that kind of stuff. It vibrates and like gets into your pores and things, which I think is pretty cool. I'm not 100% sure why you would need an app for your face cleaner, but that's a possibility if you would like to download the app. Oh, okay, so it says there's a smart beauty coach, so I'm guessing the app doesn't actually like control the cleaner or anything like that. I don't know what I was thinking. In my mind, I was picturing you could like sync it to music or something and it would vibrate to like the beat of... For some reason, in this moment, the only song I could think of was the Jellyfish Jam. Whatever song that you decide to play, I don't know. So I am pretty excited to try this out. Maybe I can get a little bit more of a deep clean when I clean my face at night because I have been breaking out a lot recently, so maybe I need to shake up or vibrate up. That sounds weird. My cleansing and skincare routine, trying not to set everything in coffee. Alrighty, next up here we have something that I don't know what is. Alrighty, so we have a blue ball, and this is like hefty. It's a rubberized ball. It's very heavy. I like how it feels in my hands. Okay, good. There are instructions in here because I was about to say I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. It is a... Whoa. It is a trigger point ball, so it's not for like actual sport play. It's actually for trigger points on your body. So here the little instructions show you all the different like positions that you can use the ball in. And I'm definitely interested in trying this out. I have really, really like tight tension in my shoulders and stuff, so maybe the ball could help for that. Also, my boyfriend has a lot of pain like in his upper and lower back because he lifts heavy things all day long, so maybe we can give this a try. I was considering like trying to put this in the bend of my knee like it shows here to like show you guys, but after the near tragedy yesterday I don't think I'm gonna be doing that. But this is pretty fun, and I like how hefty and sturdy it feels. Alrighty guys, the very last thing in here, it looks to be like a makeup bag, which I'm pretty excited about. Ooh, okay, so this is actually like a little case thingy. This is a very nice looking makeup bag. This looks like it would actually have like a decent amount of room for all of my things. Oh, that's cool. There's even like a little brush holder here and a little $50 off coupon, so that's pretty nifty. I like the material on this. It doesn't feel like it's gonna get super duper dirty because it's not cloth. It's more like a plasticky feeling. And this is from Yumi Kim. So this is pretty nice and actually maybe one of my favorite things in the entire box. Alrighty guys, so that's everything I received in my FabFitFun box. My very first impression of FabFitFun, and I think it's actually pretty cool. It might have been just a little bit heavier on like the skincare side for me. I was almost hoping for more like fitness stuff because I do want to try to get healthier even though I had sugar cookies for breakfast this morning. But I'm sure like the concentration of things changes like season by season, and it's also really cool that you can customize. Now I'm going to go ahead and read you guys the prices of the items in front of me so we can see how much the box was valued at. Alrighty, so first up here we have the train case, which is $58. That is quite pricey. Next up is the Ava hand cream, which is $33 for this big guy here. Then we have the sponge, which is $16. Whoa, okay, next up is the Foreo Luna, which is $89. Then I have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Primer, which is $38. Then the Magi Sports Trigger Point Ball, which is $24.99. And finally, the Korez Shower Gel in Japanese Rose, which is $18.50. So everything in this box seems to be a bit on the pricey side, which I mean, I guess is good because you're getting a pretty good overall value. I'm gonna go ahead and add up the total value of the entire box and let you guys know how much it is worth. And to do that, I'm going to be using an ice cream calculator. Alright you guys, so I have crunched the numbers. I also forgot to mention the Pure Release product here, which is $45. And my total value has come to $322, and does that say 45? Yes, 45 cents. Okay, so that is quite a good value for everything that you have received in the box. So alright everybody, that was everything that I received in my FabFitFun box. Let me know if you get FabFitFun, what you got in your box. I would love to hear about it. Again, I just want to say thank you so very much FabFitFun for partnering with me for this video. And thank you guys so very much for watching and being very supportive. You guys are absolutely amazing. Don't forget that if you would like to sign up for FabFitFun, you can use my code AR10 to get $10 off your first box. So yeah, that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Let me know down below if you would like to see more FabFitFun unboxings, and I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time.